Is your company aware of time and money losses due to poor self-management, event management, and data loss? Are you searching for a solution that will enable you to plan your standard work, your tasks, events like audits, Gemba walks with predefined template and formulas? Solution that will ensure that you have all the communication and data in one place. Solution that will track consumed time for events and will help you to manage time and tasks of other members of the planned event. Solution is Performance Storyboard program with Enterprise Schedule Builder module that enables you to fully define meetings, audits, Gemba walks, and other events. With template that fully describes your meeting, it's easier to manage the event without missing out any important information. Now that your activity is planned, you can start the execution according to the process that you have designed for yourself. During your event, you are free to add new findings, attach images, define new tasks, add responsibles, description with all the additional data for the tasks to be fully defined, add attachments, attach to another Performance Storyboard module, or add your links. Try out our new Performance Storyboard program and contact us for more information about ESB module.